So hello guys, right now you're looking on the screen a cool, awesome, globally released phone. Yes, none and only Oppo Find X. This phone is a cool and awesome phone which is trending nowadays in 2018, and this phone supports cool camera and cool bezel-less display. Means this phone is the best successful phone of Oppo because it has some cool and shining looks which none other phone have. And if we check this phone and compare this phone with Asus Zenfone 5, this phone is better than that in all quality of looks. This phone has a special AI inbuilt inside it which may help you to guide while you are driving and while you are sitting free. It supports heart rate monitor and it has different types of sensor inbuilt inside it. So I'm not gonna tell you all the function of it because this is an officially Korean version. You can also change the language of it from German, French, English and many other languages. So I may hope for winning this phone you need to participate in my giveaway, and for participating in my giveaway you just need to hit that bell icon, and I make sure that you are a subscriber of my channel. Comment down below anything you want about my channel and what should I unbox in my next video. And the guys who are thinking I'm doing fake giveaways, just unsubscribe my channel and get out of this YouTubing world. So sorry for being out of the topic. The topic is mainly that this phone has a very cool and shining look, and this phone has an inbuilt camera, means you can hide the camera whenever you want, and while the time of taking photos you can just keep this phone anywhere and just shoot like a DSLR. This phone has ultra portrait and ultra HDR mode which helps you to take cool and awesome photos. And the main and special thing about this phone is that it has ultra portrait mode, means you can shoot pictures, means portrait pictures from 5 to 10 meters away and focus on particular object and particular person. So this is the best thing about this Oppo Find X. And the main and something cool about this, that Oppo guarantees you this phone may last for 5 years anyhow, and Oppo gives you 1 year warranty of screen breakage and many other functions too. And it has an inbuilt speaker which can sound up the whole room and maybe the whole house anyhow, because the cool speakers make it look widely large and some type of smarting. And this has an LTE officially SIM slot, means you can use any SIM from the anywhere and any part of the world. So I hope that you love this video a lot, and thanks for subscribing my channel and watching this video. This phone is a 256GB variant especially for you guys. I'm gonna result this video on my next video. Bye bye friends, see you in my next video. See you.
Yeah.